In this video I will show you some abstract watercolor doodles. They will be very simple, stress-free and very relaxing. So if you sometimes get overwhelmed with watercolor and you need exercise that will not stress you out but will also still help you practice watercolor and help you improve your skills, this is a very good exercise to do. You can practice color theory. It's really great for water control, but there is no pressure for perfection. I'm starting by creating some background shapes. I decided to use two colors, pink and yellow. I think I'm using permanent rose and Indian yellow, I believe. But you can also use one color instead of two. However, I wanted to use two because that way I can practice wet in wet. To create my second background, I'm painting circles and I let them touch each other so that they blend, the colors blend with each other. I also like using grey for my background. I feel like it tones the colors down a little bit so that they look a bit more calming. Now for the fun part, I'm going to use some metallics to create my doodles. I decided to mostly use swirls and circles for my patterns. I do find it helpful when I limit myself in a way because then I don't get that overwhelmed and I kind of like exploring a certain topic. So that's what I decided to do, just some soft swirly shapes. But of course you can doodle whatever you feel like, you know, you can doodle some leaves, flowers, anything really. And if you're running out of ideas, what I found really helpful is just looking around because we're surrounded by patterns everywhere, and when I started looking I actually saw lots and lots, for example wood grain on my floor. I even for example tried to use shape of a fingerprint right here. Yeah, it might not look like it, but that kind of is what inspired this doodle. I also like using my Faber-Castell Pitt pen for my doodles. It adds a bit of contrast and I feel like that's when the doodles really pop. I hope this was helpful. I'll be back with another video exploring some leafy patterns. Happy painting!